The business game is a game that simulates business life. Let's analyze the definition together. It is above all a game, because it adopts several ludic strategies. The business game is also a simulation. The game takes place in a simulated economic managerial context designed to reproduce the whole company reality. Players must discuss specific company issues and make choices based on the data provided. The European Business Institute has identified the main educational objectives that can be achieved by using business games. Business games are particularly effective because they adopt an experiential learning strategy, an active form that provides, according to the learning pyramid, very high results in terms of information retention.